95% of car owners are missing out on features they already paid for. But here's the kicker. One of them could prevent a $3,000 engine repair, and most drivers ignore it. A small mistake at the gas pump lets dirt creep into your fuel system, leading to clogged injectors and costly damage. The best part? Your car already has a built-in solution. So before you waste another dollar, check out this list of 17 secret car features no one talks about, because skipping this could cost you big time. Feature number 1. Remote key fob special functions. Key fobs have become increasingly sophisticated, boasting as many as 15 hidden features. Here are 3 that very few people know about. 1. Closing and opening windows remotely. You can roll down your windows, and sometimes even the sunroof, from outside the vehicle. Press and hold the unlock button for 3 seconds. This works on Kia, Volkswagen, and Hyundai. For Honda or Volvo, press the unlock button once, then press and hold again. You can also use the key itself. Insert it into the driver's door, turn it clockwise to open or close windows. 2. Mirror folding. Many new cars fold mirrors automatically, but others let you do it manually via the key fob. On GMC, Chevrolet, or BMW, press and hold the lock button. On newer Hondas, press lock once, then hold it again. 3. Remote start. If your key fob has a circular arrow, it likely supports remote start. Even without that icon, some cars still have it. E.g. Lexus, Mazda, and Toyota lock twice, hold on third. BMWs lock 3 times quickly. Other features include car summon, hidden mechanical keys, and remote park. Feature number 2. Color-coded engine components. Ever noticed engine parts in different colors? Manufacturers use this to show what you can handle yourself versus what should be left to pros. Fluid covers are often yellow, blue, red, or green, easy to spot for refilling. Black or gray parts, like the engine block, don't touch unless you're an expert. This simple trick can save you hundreds on unnecessary mechanic visits. Feature number 3. Road condition indicators. According to the NHTSA, about 156,000 crashes each year happen due to icy roads. Manufacturers added solutions like the snowflake dashboard light, which warns you of frost. It appears when temperatures drop below a set point. 39 degrees Fahrenheit on Volkswagen, 37 degrees Fahrenheit on Toyota. Volvo goes further. Its connected safety system collects road data from other cars and alerts drivers ahead of time. Feature number 4. Hidden storage. Jeep is the king of hidden compartments. Grand Cherokees have secret spaces that even owners struggle to find. They're perfect for valuables, keeping the car tidy and safe. Other cars with hidden spots. Infiniti G35, rear armrest hole for a first aid kit. Volkswagen Golf, compartment under the driver's seat. Toyota Hilux, dash compartment that doubles as a cool box. Feature number 5. Easy Fill Tire Alert. Introduced by Nissan in 2008, this makes tire filling easy. When inflating, the lights flash while filling. When pressure is correct, the car honks once. If it honks again and flashes hazards, you've overfilled. Found on models like the Nissan Rogue, Altima, Pathfinder, and also GMC Yukon, Tahoe, Escalade, Jeep Grand Cherokee. Feature number 6. Fuel gauge arrows. Ever wondered which side the gas tank is on? Look for the little arrow next to the gas pump symbol on your dashboard. It points to the tank side. Simple, but saves embarrassment at the station. Feature number 7. Fuel cap holder. Almost every car has one, but few use it. Letting the cap dangle can scratch paint and let dirt into the fuel tank, clogging injectors and damaging the pump. Repairs can cost over $3,000. Yet this is easily avoided. Just use the fuel cap holder built into the fuel door. Feature number 8. Anti-glare features. Headlight glare is a big issue, especially for older drivers. Use the anti-glare button on your rearview mirror to reduce glare instantly. Newer cars have digital mirrors and adaptive headlights that dim automatically. Feature number 9. Traffic signal change warning. About 40% of accidents happen at intersections. Cars like Audi Q7, A4, and BMWs with OS 8.5 Plus can warn you when lights are about to change. Subarus can even alert you when the car in front starts moving again. Feature number 10. Emergency shift button. If your battery dies, you can't put an automatic car in neutral unless you know this trick. There's a shift lock button under or near the gear lever. Use your key or screwdriver to press it, and you can move the car manually. Feature number 11. Backup mechanical key. Every key fob hides a small mechanical key inside. Press the button on the fob to release it. There's usually a keyhole hidden under the driver's handle. Pry it open to unlock your car, even if the battery is dead. Feature number 12. Drowsiness and distraction detection. If your car tells you to take a coffee break, listen. These systems use cameras to monitor blinking, eyelid movement, or steering behavior. When fatigue is detected, you'll get alerts or icons, like Subaru's I symbol. Often found on higher trims, but worth it. Feature number 13. Conversation mirror. Found in SUVs and minivans. This helps parents watch passengers in the rear rows. Usually located in the sunglass holder above the rear view mirror. Common in Honda Odyssey, GMC Yukon, Toyota Sienna, Highlander, Pilot. Feature number 14. Adaptive Cruise Control, ACC. Old cruise control was dumb. ACC adjusts your speed automatically to follow traffic. Around 92% of new cars have it now, though often as an option. Just keep sensors clean. Dirt or snow can disable it and cause danger. Feature number 15. Emergency Braking Assist, EBA. EBA adds extra braking force during emergencies, but 90% of drivers never trigger it properly. Modern cars also use automatic emergency braking, EB, to stop by themselves, but they struggle in low visibility. Feature number 16. Night vision. One of the coolest. Uses infrared sensors to detect heat signatures up to 1,000 feet away. Available on luxury cars like BMW X5, Audi A8, Rolls-Royce, Mercedes S-Class, but can also be retrofitted. Feature number 17. Crumple zones and safety cells. Ever seen a totaled car where the driver survived? That's because of crumple zones, areas designed to absorb crash energy. They deform to protect the safety cell, the cabin, saving thousands of lives every year. Final thought. There's so much about cars we don't know, and what you don't know could be costing you thousands every year.